Hi guys, being able to grow my hair from this length to the length it is currently shows that I have been using a lot of hair growth DIYs, which has been helping me to reach the length of hair that I want. So guys, one of those hair DIY is papaya leaves. Okay, due to I have this in my compound, I always use it on my hair due to the benefits that it has. Papaya leaves contains a lot of benefits that are very good for hair growth. Okay, so make sure you choose a leaf that is healthy, a leaf that doesn't have any wound spot on it. So go ahead and wash your papaya leaf to get rid of dust or dirt that might be on it. Okay, after that, go ahead and put it in a pot, add little water depending on the amount of leaf that you are using. So this is the water and I transferred it into my spray bottle. So this is the color that you are going to get depending on the amount of water that you added. So I'll be using this water on my hair. Whenever I feel that my hair needs to be treated, I use the herbs around me, and pawpaw leaf is one of those herbs. Okay, pawpaw leaves contain a lot of vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for hair growth. They contain vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, and those vitamins are very good for the health and growth of your natural hair. They also contain minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals also improve hair growth. Pawpaw leaves also contains antioxidants which prevent the hair from free radicals. They also balance the pH level of the scalp, making your scalp healthy for hair growth. They also inhibit the growth of the fungus or the fungi that causes dandruff, which is malassezia. They inhibit the growth of malassezia, making the hair free from dandruff. Okay, they also strengthen the hair. Pawpaw leaf also have a darkening effect, which is why so many people use it on their hair. Okay, so make sure to apply this when the water is still warm, because that way you'll be able to open up your hair follicles, making the water to penetrate well into your hair follicles and also give you the benefits that you deserve from this pawpaw leaf. Okay, so right now I am going ahead to apply it very generously on my hair strands, making sure that it gets to all strands of my hair. And also I am using it as my moisturizer. Yes, you can use it as your moisturizer because it is in a liquid form. All right, so guys, if you're experiencing thinning, balding, shedding, or so much breakage, you should consider incorporating papaya leaves water into your hair care routine, because it is going to help you a lot. So after that, I will go ahead and massage my hair. Massaging helps to improve blood flow to the scalp. It helps to improve blood circulation, which transports nutrients to your scalp and also improve healthy hair growth. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I make videos concerning hair growth tips, hair growth DIYs, and that is it. So thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, like this video, and also share this video. You can also leave me a comment in the comment section. Okay, so see you all in my next upload. Bye.